Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics too. So we will discuss about the semi-solid dosage forms. Semi-solid dosage forms are the mainly meant for external application. For an example, ointment, creams, jellies, pastes and poultices. In that we will discuss about the jellies. The jellies are the transparent or the translucent non-greasy semi-solid preparations meant for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. They may be prepared from the natural gums such as tragacanth, pectin, sodium alginate, or from the synthetic cellulose and sodium carboxymethyl cellulose. The types of jellies are medicated jellies, lubricating jellies, miscellaneous jellies, which are meant for patch testing and electrocardiography. Then formulation of gellings, in that gelling agent is required, tragacanth. The example of gelling agents such as tragacanth, sodium alginate, pectin, star, gelatin, cellulose derivatives. Preservatives, examples are methyl parahydroxybenzoate in the 0.1 to 0.2% weight by volume, propyl parahydroxybenzoate 0.5%, chlorocresol 0.1 to 0.2%, benzoic acid 0.2%, benzalkonium chloride 0.02%. Recommended containers are semi-solid preparations are dispensed in the glass or the plastic jars having screw caps with the impermeable liner. They should be stored in the well-closed container so as to prevent the loss of volatile constituents. They can also be supplied in the plastic or metallic collapsible tubes. Special labeling instructions for these are stored in a cool place and for external use only. So in the next session we will discuss in detail about the experiment. Experiment number 69. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit jelly 10 gram. In this we are going to study the formulation and method of preparation of jelly. Learning objectives are to understand the purpose of preparing jelly and its method of preparation, and ability to prepare and label the jelly correctly. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, ointment slab, ointment spatula, measuring cylinder, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 100, that is equal to 0.1. Next, prescription, which is denoted by the symbol Rx. This is the prescription given over here. So now let's discuss in detail about the formula table, that is type, category, use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. As we don't have the quantity given in the imperial system, as there is no prescription given in Latin terminology. Quantity given in the metric system for preparing 100 gram and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 gram. Sodium alginate used as a thickening and gelling agent. Quantity given is 7 gram, taken quantity is 0.7 gram. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor. Glycerol used as a viscosity enhancer. Quantity given 7 gram, taken quantity should be 0.7 gram. Methyl hydroxybenzoate used as a preservative. Quantity given 0.2 gram, taken quantity should be 0.02 gram. Calcium gluconate used as a source of calcium. Quantity given 0.05 gram, taken quantity should be 0.005 gram. Purified water, which is a freshly boiled and cooled water, used as a vehicle. Quantity given is quantity sufficient to prepare 100 gram and quantity taken should be quantity sufficient to prepare 10 gram. Direction to be used as directed by physician. So we have, this is a sodium alginate which is a previously weighed, this is a glycerol, this is methyl hydroxybenzoate, that is methyl paraben, this is calcium gluconate and purified water. Now we will move for actual procedure. So now wet the sodium alginate in the glass mortar with the help of glycerol. So I am going to add this glycerol into this sodium alginate and triturate it properly. To heat this water on the water bath, as the temperature reaches to near about 80 degrees Celsius. So till that this water is heated. Now I am wait for few minutes. As the temperature reaches to 60 degrees Celsius, after that we have to add another ingredients into it. So as the temperature reaches to 60 degrees Celsius after heating, now I am going to add the remaining ingredients into it, that is the methyl hydroxybenzoate, which is known as a methyl paraben, and the second one, that is calcium gluconate, is added into it and stir continuously till its proper mixing.
Now I am going to add this mixture after cooling to the sodium alginate mixture, and then I am going to transfer this into this container, and then we will proceed for next labeling part.
Now we will move towards labeling of formulation. So labeling of formulation for jelly 10 gram, for ABC that is the name of patient, register number XYZ is